Hi, I'm Bill from DryZone. My wife Heather and I, we actually are the managing partners of DryZone. So our vision, mission, and values go like this. So our vision is a world where the extraordinary is the expectation. And we do that through our mission, which is to build and empower experts. And then we have 6 key values, and those are authentic, assertive, adaptive, aspire, attentive, and accountability. So the reason why we use the word extraordinary in our vision statement is, why would you want anything less than that? You know, if you're gonna have any type of an experience, why wouldn't you want it to be extraordinary? Not everybody, but a lot of folks have health issues, whether it's allergies, whether they're on oxygen. A lot of the air that you're breathing is truly coming up from that crawl space. We need to protect that because you're gonna breathe that same air whether you like it or not. So the reason why you really want to choose the products that we offer in our company is it's not off a box store shelf. Every single thing we use had thought put behind it rather than just, I'll use this product in 17 different things. You know, our stuff is made specifically for your environment, every single one of them. Training in our company is a very big deal. A lot of companies say they train a lot, but we truly believe it. So not just our crews, you know, who they get trained every morning. I mean, every single morning they're in there and we're having conversations about not only what happened, how can we make it better? And it's not just the, hey, this is how you use a saw. You know, they actually go through our vision, mission, values and, you know, really talk about what that means to a homeowner. You know, not just the physical work, but the mental work that goes behind it. You know, we work really hard with our designers. I take them out in the field and we start with, hey, this is a footer. You know, and this is how a wall is built, and this is how crawl spaces are made, and this is how basements are done. And we really want to make sure that everybody is armed with enough tools to do the best possible job that they can. So Heather and I have always been a really big, you know, advocate for community service. You know, a lot of our homeowners really have trusted us in the past and have given us resources. One of the biggest ways that we've really tried to live that extraordinary experience, there was a homeowner who we had met with and they wanted their crawl space done. And the day of the install, the wife called up and said her husband had died. So we actually gave her back her deposit and then went out the following week and did the crawl space. Because for us, that was his last wish for us. There's lots of examples, but talk about those little ripples, right? And every single time we make that ripple, we make someone's life better. Our vision for the company, or our vision for the future of our company, for something that's going to outlast us. I heard this phrase a long time ago, and it was to leave a footprint that wasn't soon forgotten. And it really stuck with me when I heard that. I really want to see this company that we've really put our blood, sweat, and tears into last for many generations to come.